since the beginning of Pro Stock back in 1970, replaced with a Poly ECU, which is electronic fuel injection. And the Harlow Salmons team, they also build their own engines in-house. If you win Pro Stock, that's great. If you win